Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use your Instagram Edits template feature or template filter feature. So let's get straight into the video. Open your Edits application and load up your project. Once you've done that, you want to tap on the video tab or your video on your timeline. Finally, once you've done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and look for the template that you want to add. If you don't find any template section here, the better way to do it is actually not even by making a project and just heading to the Reels tab right over here and tapping on templates, which will simply go ahead and show you all the templates right over here that are available. And you can simply go ahead and click on use template, which will simply go ahead and load up the complete video. And then you can simply go ahead and add your own clips on top of it. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.